What's up, science peeps? This video is to help you with the tools and the strategies for communicating me during online learning. While we are at this great distance from each other, it's incredibly important that we communicate well so I can help you and prevent really intense feelings or moments of frustration, anxiety, or any of that nastiness. I am here to help. So here's how we're going to do this. Number one, you're going to be checking your email every single day, probably more than once a day. 2, you are going to email me when you have trouble, when you're feeling lost, you're feeling confused and frustrated, because then I can either send you a video to help you, I can set up a Zoom or a Google Hangout personally to connect with you to help you in that problem, or give you a call so we can deal with it. So you have to email me your specific issue so I can help you better. Then you actually have to check your email to see my response. You got to remember that, guys, be checking your email. So email is going to be really important. If you forget how to email me, click on the link on the homepage to my email. We're using our school Gmail. Forget how to get there. KPBSD has those links for you, or go to your waffle on the Google page. The other thing I've provided for you are some live office hours using video conferencing on a program called Zoom. I need you to make sure that you have Zoom downloaded on your personal devices with parent permission, of course. It's safe and free. This link will always be here on the front page. Right now, this is the time I've set. It doesn't matter when you come in that time. You come in with a question. You come in for a little class time, a little feeling of being in a class. I have a whiteboard and all sorts of cool stuff I can use. Maybe just come in to see people. Come in to say hi. Come in to interact. If you're feeling isolated and lonely, pop into some office hours and connect a little bit. It's going to be really important for all of us to do that kind of thing. So I'm hoping that'll be really helpful. This link is also available here on the Start Here First page, where you're watching these videos right now. See my live office hours? Okay, so email, check in it lots, sending it when you need it, live office hours. You can also follow me on social media on Instagram. I'm going to be trying to post lots of different things there to help too. If you don't do that, don't worry about it. The last place I want you to think about, not the last place, but one more place I want you to think about is I've created a discussion board where you guys can post your questions in the moment. So if you're waiting for an email from me, it's a weird time of day, post the question here, then you and your classmates can help you, or I can help you in the moment. So I also want you guys checking that so we work as a team to take care of each other. You can also get to that discussion board here. It's linked on the left-hand side. Remember that KPBSD is full of these awesome shortcuts to help support you during this time. And the Start Here page has also a lot of what you need to navigate. So check your email, send the emails, use the office hours, and go to the discussion board. Thanks, guys, for listening, and I look forward to working with you.